Hello and welcome to my presentation on using Google Slides and integrating Google Classroom into Powerlearning for Shorecrest Preparatory's third grade. Now, why use Google Classroom? Well, first of all, some of the key features for Google Classroom are the ability to set classroom themes with school colors and logos. This helps for the kids to keep the identity of the school environment that they're used to and maintain that while they're distance learning. You're able to add content to assignments such as videos, PDFs, Google Docs, and share videos and links or images from other websites with students. This is available for both teachers, students, and parents. And everyone involved is able to view assignments, announcements, and all the resources on one class resource page. This is great for students. It's great for teachers. It's also great for parents to keep track of the students' assignments. Teachers are able to draft assignments or announcements and schedule them to post on a later date, meaning that they can make their curriculum in advance and have it post whenever they would like. And then they can utilize the Google Calendar to track the assignments. The students can track the assignments through the due dates, as well as the parents to keep track of what the students have to turn in, all in one location. Now, the fun part for us is Google Slides. And for the third grade, we found a way to use Google Slides to make the environment much easier for the students than it is currently under the Powerlearning environment. We're able to provide all the weekly work in one location under one slide set. And this allows for better assignment organization, better management of assignments. They're easier to access all the assignments. We're also able to embed links to websites to make those assignments available concurrently with videos that they are needing for the assignments. And we'll show some examples of that later on. Also, improving document delivery. We'll give an example of that later in the presentation. You'll see how the documents can be delivered in a better way than previously on the Powerlearning environment. All of this is leading to improved productivity for the students, for the teachers, and for a better workflow for the parents. And for the teachers, this is finally giving them the ability to reuse materials. If there's materials that they reuse on a consistent basis, they can simply save the slides and reuse them or modify them for future use. Here's a mock-up of a week in the third grade with all the days listed out. The students typically go to Hensler Herald at the start of the day, so there would be a link to this in every day. But we've set it up for the week. They can simply click on this link, be taken to the page where they sign in for pertinent announcements under the Powerlearning environment, click on their Google Classroom, and they'll be taken right back to the slide environment. Then we have the first day. Monday here, you've got a Scholastic News assignment available. All their assignments easy to read and available on this slide. Click on the assignment. All the information necessary is listed. Then under this picture of Scholastic News, which is the assignment for today, a link is embedded. They click on that, be taken directly to the Scholastic News page where they can sign in and do the assignment, return to the slideshow. Password is listed here. Math, the same situation here. And here's where we have a concurrent assignment. So this is a YouTube video that can play as the student does the assignment on this side here. So they can read through the assignment, start the video, and then work through the math problem all at the same time, and then turn it in all in one location. Reading assignments where you used to have to print this, make a PDF, print the PDF, and then turn that back in as a photo or PDF back into the classroom. Now, through this environment, using Google Slides, you can have a writable assignment where the student can type in all the work they need to within the assignment and turn it in directly to the classroom, all in one place. So you can see that this takes many fewer steps than was possible before in the Powerlearning environment. This is all built to create a better workflow for the student, for the teacher, and for the parent supervising the students' activities. Here's a look at a daily workflow chart for a student. What they used to have to do is go into Powerlearning, Hensler Herald. Each teacher post had a ton of processes, And now, skipping those multiple processes, they can just go directly to Powerlearning, into the Google Classroom, locate all the assignments in one location. So allowing for a much better workflow. In any case, that's the basis for why we believe that Google Classroom integration with Powerlearning is a great idea. And it's going to provide a more organized working area for teachers, students, and parents. We will all enjoy the process of a distance learning environment much more, and it's going to produce a much more productive and accessible environment for everyone. So I'll take questions now that if anyone has them. If not, happy learning, everybody.